The Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program has funded the development of technologies vital to the production of the F-35 Lightning II. This is the story of one of them. The F-35 Lightning II is the most ambitious and advanced warplane ever built. Design and manufacture of this aircraft presented challenges that required innovative new technologies and processes. One challenge was to find a way to attach composite materials to the aluminum frame in the tight space of the inlet ducts.
And to do that, there's three challenges. The first is ergonomics. That is the biggest challenge. You have someone crawling into an inlet duct with a heavy drill, trying to move around and drill holes at thousandths of an inch tolerance. The next is time, and the third is quality. We looked around at our options to go try to figure out a better solution for these guys, and we decided to go forward with a small business innovative research project.
One possible solution was to find a way to adapt the automated assembly processes used in the automobile industry.
In the automotive industry, vehicle body assembly is done almost entirely with automation. It's done in a large number of short-time operations. So for instance, you'll have a robot whose job is to do 3 spot welds. That same robot will do the same 3 spot welds over and over every 30 seconds on thousands of cars a day.
VRSI, an engineering services company specializing in the integration of measurement technologies, such as laser-guided robots for automated manufacturing, was one of the companies that replied to the SBIR request for proposals.
We work with robotics and tooling companies, automation integrators, as well as manufacturing end customers.
VRSI took a really smart approach, and they didn't try to do everything in-house. They knew what they were good at, and they tried to pull in teammates that had supplementary skills. So they brought in Northrop, which is obviously where the transition opportunity was. And then they brought in Kamau, who is really a leader in that automotive automation industry, brought in a lot of the robotics expertise, and then VRSI served as the integrator. So we had numerous proposals, but VRSI was the proposal that won.
The primary challenge facing the VRSI team was meeting the required plus or minus 30 thousandths of an inch accuracy in the confined space of the inlet ducts. They accomplished an even greater accuracy of plus or minus 6 thousandths of an inch by developing an offline animated simulated program.
We developed a custom 3D vision sensor to measure the coordinating fasteners that serves as the datum features for the process. We also developed a custom retroreflector array, which is mounted on the nose of the drill head and the nose of the vision sensor, that allows the laser tracker to accurately measure the position of the drill head or the position of the vision sensor from a multitude of angles inside the confined space of the duct.
In less than 2 years, the VRSI team had demonstrated the prototype's effectiveness, and orders were placed for 3 inlet duct robotic drilling, or IDRD systems, to be installed at Northrop Grumman's plant in Palmdale, California.
So the IDRD cell was capable of drilling over 3,000 extremely accurate holes in less than 12 hours. And we believe that that saves over $24 million over the life of the program.
The inlet duct robotic drilling technology was recognized with the Defense Manufacturing Achievement Award in 2009. And the technology has transitioned into civilian aviation in the assembly of the Boeing 777.
One of the best scenarios I've seen play out, in that you had a very well-defined opportunity, you had a very strong pull from the customer, and you had this technical team that really buckled down and worked together to get it done, and they did so in a very timely fashion.
The Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program, helping the Defense Department meet its better buying power goals of controlling F-35 production costs while getting effective new technologies into the hands of U.S. warfighters.